So good day. Today's video, I will introduce the Jacobian matrix. So what is Jacobian matrix? So Jacobian matrix. So what is the introduction of Jacobian matrix? So the matrix that relates the n-effector velocities to joint velocities and partial derivatives of the forward kinematic equations. So constant velocity, displacement over time times t is the v is equal to d over t, and the average velocity change in displacement over change in time times time is velocity equal d2 minus t1 over t2 minus t1, and instantaneous velocity, the rate of change in displacement with respect to time times time. Velocity equals to d equal dt, or velocity equal d prime. The next is the Jacobian matrix. This form of Jacobian matrix founded by Carl Gustav Jacobi in 19th century. So general formula of Jacobian matrix. This is the general formula of the Jacobian matrix. So n-effector velocity vector, linear velocity of EE at XYZ direction, angular velocity of EE at XYZ axis, and Jacobian matrix and joint velocity vector is Q prime n equal either theta prime n or d prime n. The concept of Jacobian matrix was first introduced by the mathematician Carl Gustav Jacobi in the 19th century. The next is the Jacobian matrix of number of rows, and rows is equal the number of rows in EE, and velocity vector are always 6. This column is equal to number of rows in the parametric table. So the composed of row and column, rows is always 3, and Jacobian matrix is 3 is equal to always 6 rows. Next is linear algebra method. This the figure of linear algebra method is, so R is equal to rotation matrix, follow the superscript and subscript. The next is D equal position vector, follow the superscript and subscript. I equal to which joint or column you are solving, and N is equal number of joint column of Jacobian matrix. This is the figure of linear algebra method. The next is the method of obtaining Jacobian matrix. So first is partial derivative method, second is propagation method, and 3 is etc. etc. So this is the linear algebra method, and n-effector velocity vector, Jacobian matrix, and joint velocity vector. And so let's proceed the Jacobian matrix solving. So Jacobian matrix is X prime, Y prime, C prime, co X, co y, co c. This is the first column. And the next is R 0 0 0 0 1 D 0 3 minus D 0 0 R 0 1 0 0 1 D 0 3 minus D 0 1 R 0 2 0 0 1 D 3 D 0 3 minus D 0 1, and second row R 0 0 0 0 1, second is R 0 1 0 0 0, next is R 2 0 0 1. This is the Jacobian matrix, and theta row 1, theta prime 2, theta prime 3. So when A1 is equal to 35, A2 is equal to 30, A3 is equal to 25. Theta 1 is equal to 30, and theta 2 is equal to 60, and theta 3 is equal to 90. And this is the Jacobian equal 0, negative, this is the first row, negative 3.3325 3175 e raised to 01, and negative 1.08 2531 75 e raised to 01. The next row is 0 minus 1.92 for 0.3811 e raised to 01, and negative 6.250000 e raised to 00. The third row is 1, negative 6.65635009 e raised to 00. And next is negative 2.16506351 e raised to 01. The fourth row is 0, positive 5 point 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. E is raised to negative 0, 1, and negative 5.000000000 e raised to negative 0, 1, and for fifth row is 0, negative 8.6602540 e raised to negative 1, and negative 8.6625404 e raised to negative 1. Sixth row is 1, 6.123234000 e raised to negative 17, and next is 6.123234000 e raised to negative 17. So x is equal to negative 33.32531 7 5473055 times 0 theta 2 minus 10.8253175473055 times theta 2. And for the y is equal to negative 19.2403810567666 times theta 1 minus 6.25 times theta 2. And for the y is equal to 1.01 times theta 1 minus 6.65063509461 461,096 times theta 2. Cos x minus 0.5 times theta 2 plus 0.5 times theta 2, and co y is equal negative 0.866025403744439 times theta 2 minus 0.8660540374439 times theta 2, and cos c is equal to 1.01 times theta 1 plus 6123399573677 e raised to negative 17 times theta 2 plus 6.12339957367 e raised to 17 times theta 3.